Proceedings resumed with counsel for suspended South Gauteng DPP Advocate Thembeka Ngcukaitobi accusing the NPA of withholding crucial witness statements from the Umlazi docket linked to the alleged extrajudicial killings by the unit. The NPA denied the claim, stating it had submitted all 23 dockets related to the Cato Manor indictment.
The NPA has always had Section B and Section C of that Umlazi docket, but they withheld it from this panel until there was a public complaint yesterday. And then, inexplicably, it appeared at night yesterday. Now, the problem with this is not that unique docket. Across all of these dockets, there are glaring omissions. So someone inside the NPA is removing material inside the dockets before they are sent to this panel. Now, it is a matter of grave concern.
The only request that was made was for the 23 dockets. There was no request for any other dockets. This Umlazi docket that was disclosed doesn't relate to those 23 dockets, but it was delivered at the same time. To the extent that documents are missing in any one of the 23 dockets, in other words, the ones that form part of the indictment, or the Umlazi docket, that concern was never raised directly with the NPA.
The inquiry also heard that a suspect brought to the Cato Manor offices to sign a confession was allegedly shot dead by an arresting officer who claimed the deceased attacked him with a granite stone. The officer fired 4 shots. Mangena testified that the ballistics report he compiled in that matter is also missing from the docket.
I'm not in a position to state why the above-mentioned reports do not appear in the disclosed dockets, nor whether they may exist elsewhere in SAPS or prosecutorial or records.
Suspects were killed by the Cato Manor unit between 2003 and 2011. Suspended South Gauteng DPP Advocate Andrew Chauke is accused of acting outside his jurisdiction by pursuing racketeering charges despite an alleged insufficient evidence. Former NPA head Advocate Shamila Batoi later withdrew the charges. Proceedings resume on Monday when the NPA is expected to apply for its own legal representation. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Pretoria.